Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mena and we're back with another video. In today's video, we'll be installing a messy bob. As always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you for the tutorial.
Best friend, be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Alright, so today we are featuring My First Wig again. Like, y'all should know from the first video that I absolutely adore My First Wig as a wig company. So yeah, they reached right back out because y'all loved that video, they loved that video, and they're like, yeah, we want you to do another one. All right, let's get into it. So first things first, we went through this in the first video, but My First Wig loves to give out the goodies. They gave me some more clips, another really nice comb, which I love, and another super cute My First Wig wig band. Wig companies really know how to spoil a girl, okay? If you don't have a man, at least get you a good wig company. All right, so next up we have the wig. One thing I love about My First Wig is that they always give you their wigs ready to go. Yes! You can order their wigs pre-curled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything at this point, except for pre-glued. All you gotta do really is just glue that hoe on your head. Let's look at this lace, honey. Look at that lace, look at that pre-plucking. My First Wig's lace is so good. Even though a lot of their wigs are invisible lace and not HD, their invisible lace is so thin that by the time you've tinted it and melted it, it is HD. This wig and a lot of their wigs actually come with lace in the back that you can glue down so you can wear your girl up in a little ponytail or a bun, but I don't have any intention of doing that. So I'm just going to cut baby girl off before I forget because I tend to forget. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. The hair quality is everything. Like, I just wore another one of their wigs this morning to go to my oil change appointment. And when I tell you, I was in the car dealership like the whole time. It's like my third time wearing that particular wig. And it's just, the hair quality is just consistently amazing. Like, it's buttery, it's soft. This is human hair, baby, okay? This is not no blend. This is called the Malaysian hair wavy lace front wig. Hair texture is silky, inches is 16, and we are working with a 13x6 frontal today, baby. I also got this pre-deep bleached and pre-deep and ultimate plucked. Okay, so this makes sense. Right now, they are promoting their new invisible air lace, and I've been wondering why, like, I have been unable to keep my hands off of this lace. It is so thin, so soft, and honestly, like, it does feel as light as air. Everything about this wig is just ready to put on. Only thing I gotta do is just tint. So to tint my lace, I'm just gonna put baby girl on a wig head real quick. I'm gonna bring out a brush and some cream foundation. All right, so boom, our lace is nice and tinted. Now I'm just gonna pull out a wax stick and I'm just going to wax some of these hairs back. That way they're not in the way when I am installing the wig. Another thing I love is this wig comes pre-parted. So we already have a perfect middle part to start our install off with. I'm gonna color my wig cap, and this cream foundation is linked in my storefront just in case y'all want to get you one. All right, we are tinted, and now we can try the wig on. All right, so now that the wig is on and we have found our middle, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting off my earpieces. So first things first, I'm gonna clip the hair back and out of the way. I love short hair. It's literally so easy to deal with. All right, ear flaps are cut. One side done, other side done. All right, so one concern that I have is that the wig is a bit too small. As you can see, I pretty much have the wig cap cut right before my hairline. The hairline on the wig seems to start after the wig cap on both sides. And my forehead is fine, but the sides of the wig are a little bit too small, which is a bit of a pain, but I think we can figure this out. So I'm just gonna put the hair back loosely so I can still tug on that lace. Best way to apply a wig that's too small for you, work one side at a time. That's what we're gonna do. We are gonna start applying our glue. Always wanna make sure you apply your glue in thin layers. That way it can dry nice and clear. So I just keep going over it until it's thin enough. And I always wipe off any excess that I don't need. We're gonna try not to apply the glue too far down our head because the wig is a bit short. All right, and we're gonna let that layer dry nice and clear. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit more clear on this side. This side we're still definitely working on. So the places where it's getting clear, I'm gonna apply a second layer of glue. This layer is definitely also going to be thinner than the first, kind of just topping that first layer off. All right, so we're gonna let that dry down a little bit, get a little bit more clear, and then we'll put this wig on. So I'm gonna start with the middle. And then I'm going to go one side at a time. That way I can make sure I can really pull each side forward. I'm gonna also brush at the same time as I'm applying the wig. Okay, and now for the second side. And now I'm just gonna keep brushing just to make sure the lace is pressed into that glue. And then I also like to just press it down with my fingers as well. Once I'm certain she's not going anywhere, I'm actually going to start cutting my lace. One side done, and now for the next side. And second side done. Okay, so now that I'm certain that everything is nice and glued down, I'm going to start sectioning off some baby hairs that I want near my ears. And I'm going to secure those while I'm securing my lace. So I usually don't like to do any baby hairs, but sometimes when a wig is too small, I use baby hairs to hide the places that aren't being covered. Okay, so I have my pieces now. You're gonna grab your wig band and you are going to secure your lace. All right, so while my lace is drying, I'm gonna start working on the hair. I'm just gonna split it in half, comb through the hair. Because I'm going for a messy bob, I'm not gonna touch the texture of the hair at all. I'm not gonna curl it, I'm not gonna straighten it. At most, I'm just going to hot comb the top just so we're nice and flat, but I'm gonna leave her just like this. All I'm gonna do is cut and maybe add some layers. Y'all know I love a blunt cut. I just can't help myself, especially because this is not the length that I wanna stay at. I'm gonna hold the longest pieces right here, and I'm just going to cut the tip off. Okay, same thing on this side. And again, I'm no stylist, child. I just like to look cute. So you could definitely do whatever you want, but this is what I'm gonna do. And boom, now we have our blunt cut. Is this bob length yet? I definitely think we're getting there. I'm just gonna hack away, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on shaping and y'all can just watch me do it in a really quick time lapse and then we'll get to the rest of the install. All right, so I have my messy bob, I have my layers, I have my blunt cut, I'm happy. Yeah. All right, so for our baby hairs, we're gonna need a little mini flat iron that looks like this. And just to keep the natural look that I have going on, I'm really only gonna do baby hairs near my ears and I'm not gonna do them up here. Like I wanna keep that glueless look up there. So I'm just gonna clip this back and we're just going to curl them. We're gonna start hot combing, but I'm going to try to make sure that I don't ruin this beautiful volume and body I have up here. I kind of just want to emphasize the part and then flatten the hump in the back a little bit, and that's about it. I'm just gonna take some wax and wax the hairline back just a little bit. This will also help keep that shape that it has going on right now. And then I'm going to also wax a little bit of the part in the back and then the crown of the head. All right, and my hot comb is hot now, so let's just get to it. I really want to make sure the hair can just keep its natural shape. So to ensure that, basically just gonna hot comb it back and then let the weight of the hair bring it down. Same thing on this side. And then the back of the head, straight like that. And I think I'm also going to emphasize these bangs just a little bit more. It just adds like a little bit more body. Same thing on this side. Yeah, cool. Now I'm just gonna grab a little bit of cream foundation and I'm gonna finish tinting my lace. And last but not least, I'm gonna emphasize my part line with a lighter cream foundation. And And that's it. Yeah, I'm definitely in love. Let me get y'all the details to this wig so we can finish up and I can get up out of here. Again, this is called the Malaysian hair wavy lace front wig in silky texture, 16 inches, 13 by 6 frontal with their newest invisible air lace. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me install and style this messy bob. I hope y'all run, don't walk to get that wig. The link to this exact unit will be down below in my bio, as well as all of the details and links for everything that I used to achieve this look. Make sure you comment down below your thoughts on this look, and of course make sure you go ahead and leave me a like. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mena. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.